Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change address on TikTok Shop. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this site where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to set up a TikTok Shop warehouse or pickup address. TikTok requires a warehouse or pickup address to complete your store setup. Here's how you can add it. On the left hand side of your TikTok shop dashboard, go to My Accounts, then go to Account Settings, and then go to Warehouse Settings and add yourself as the contact person and add pickup and return address. If you're located in the United States, we suggest using Printful US facility address for both. Steel Point Industrial Park, and this is the address. If you're located in the UK, you can use Printful's UK facility address. As you can see, guys, right here in the picture, this is where you should go in order to choose your shop warehouse or your pickup address. Also, if you want to set up shipping, from your TikTok shop dashboard, go to shipping, then shipping templates, and click add new template. To be able to create shipping templates, you need to have a warehouse setup. Then set up the shipping information on your shipping template. And after that, once your shipping profile is created, go to shipping options on your TikTok dashboard, and select shipped by seller as your preferred shipping option. Choose a shipping option based on what you entered while setting up the shipping template. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.